Welcome to PreyoPromo, where you learn practical tech tricks to make your emails look professional. Want to add a custom image or logo as your Gmail signature? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a polished email signature with an image in Gmail step by step. Step 1. Open Gmail settings. Open Gmail in your web browser and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings to access the full options panel. Step 2. Create or select a signature. Go to the General tab and scroll to the Signature section. Click Create New if you don't have a signature or select an existing one to edit it. Step 3. Add an image. In the Signature Editor, click the Insert Image icon. Upload an image from your computer, add one from Google Drive, or use an image URL. Step 4. Resize and position the image. Click the image to resize it as small, medium, or large. You can also drag it within the signature block and add text like your name, title, or contact info. If you're enjoying these easy tech tips, like the video and subscribe to PreyoPromo for more tutorials. Step 5. Save your signature. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Now your image signature will automatically appear when composing new emails, and you can choose from multiple signatures if needed. And that's how you add a professional image signature in Gmail in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to PreyoPromo for more simple and practical tech tips.